What is it, boy? Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Let's hear it, big boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's hear it. Ah, you can be quiet now, huh? Be quiet. Let's hear it. Come on. Made some deviled eggs today. Got some deviled eggs, shells there. She's laying an egg. But I freaked her out. Okay. I'll leave her alone. See what Bobby's doing. It's chilly out here today. It's chilly. His project is bearings. Cleaning up the bearings. Already had to rebuild the front end, which I didn't get a video of. That's all redone. What'd you do? Paint it?